Flex duct, rules, pitfalls, and support. All right, technician, let's talk about flex duct, one of the most commonly used ductwork types in residential air conditioning. It's affordable, easy to install, and flexible. But if not installed the right way, it can choke your system, create unnecessary restrictions, and cost the customer in efficiency and money. So let's break it all down, step by step. What is flex duct? Flex duct is a corrugated plastic core surrounded by fiberglass insulation and wrapped in an outer vapor barrier jacket. It comes in standard lengths, usually 25 feet per box, and in diameters from 4 inches to 20 inches. Most residential systems use 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, or 12-inch sizes. Rule number 1, limit length and turns. Every time you bend the flex duct, you increase resistance to airflow. That's why the total run should be as short and straight as possible. Maximum recommended run? Try to keep it under 25 feet per register and limit the number of 90-degree bends. Too many bends? You're strangling your air delivery. Rule number 2, avoid compression. Do not leave the flex duct compressed or kinked. Stretch it tight during installation. If it looks like a slinky, you've got a problem. Why? Because compressed flex duct can reduce airflow by more than 30%. Rule number 3, proper support. Support is everything. Use hanger straps every 4 feet and make sure the duct is not sagging more than ½ an inch per foot. That's per building code in most U.S. states. And remember, never use zip ties directly on the duct. They cut through the insulation. Real installation tips. Use mastic or approved duct sealant at every connection. Seal the flex to the collars, plenum, or register boxes. Use metal tape, not cloth tape. It fails with heat. Cut with a razor knife and wire snips for the spiral wire. Always leave slack in the outer jacket to seal tight. Common pitfalls. Running flex duct in attics without UV protection on insulation. Installing undersized ducts, like using 6-inch for a living room, failing to secure the insulation jacket to prevent sweating. Leaving gaps or unsealed ends that cause energy loss. Duct size to airflow reference. Here's a helpful chart, technician. A 6-inch flex duct handles about 100 CFM. An 8-inch handles about 160 CFM. A 10-inch handles about 250 CFM. A 12-inch handles about 350 to 400 CFM. Keep this in mind when designing or troubleshooting airflow problems.